All right, so to remove this plate here, it's actually not that difficult, just you gotta time it right. First, I recommend putting the some jack stands underneath your engine. I actually use them to put them right in the exhaust manifolds, both sides. I figure that's the strongest point there. I don't want to use the plastic pan because I may crack it. Once you do that, you actually have to unscrew the engine from the engine mount, which is these holes. There's one here and another one right there. Right, there's another engine mount. So when you take that off, the engine will drop, long story short. So you want to set these up to either be even with the engine, so that way you lift off the chassis off the engine, or to remove this whole bracket, or you lift the car up and then you drop the engine on these mounts little by little. I did it so that the car was up and these were about an inch away from the motor, and then the motor just kind of sat down right on these things, and I unscrewed it and it kind of came right off. I did have to jack the car up a little bit more to get to this bolt, which then I learned there's actually a hole right there where the bolt sticks out. See, like you take that bolt out through the chassis. So now the engine's dropped, so this bolt doesn't align. But this is literally 1, 2, and then 4 bolts here. So you got 6 bolts to take off, and this whole piece comes off, so you can get access to the pulley, the tensioner, the water pump. Everything's behind there. So you cannot do any of this work without removing this big piece of, I don't know, whatever you want to call it, firewall or engine mount, or whatever the hell you want to call it. So yeah, I'm gonna work on continuing to put this thing back on.